Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into the incredible world of liver meat. We're about to explore the top 10 health benefits it offers and learn the best ways to cook it for maximum nutritional value. And remember, your support helps us create more content like this. So don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the notification bell. Are you ready to unlock the power of liver? Let's get started. First up, let's talk about nutrient density. Liver sits high on the list of nutrient-dense foods, rightfully earning its title as a nutrient powerhouse. This organ meat is packed with essential vitamins and minerals that our bodies need to function optimally. For starters, liver is a remarkable source of vitamin A, a nutrient that supports vision, immune health, and cell growth. It's also rich in B vitamins, particularly B12, which plays a crucial role in brain function and the creation of red blood cells. Plus, liver provides a good dose of iron, a mineral that helps our bodies produce energy and carry oxygen to our muscles and tissues. And let's not forget about copper, zinc, and selenium, trace minerals that support immune function and thyroid health. So liver is a great way to pack in those essential nutrients. But that's not all. Liver is also rich in protein and vital nutrients. Protein, the building block of our bodies, is fundamental for our health. It aids in repairing body cells, building and maintaining muscles, and it's also essential for growth and development. The liver is a great source of high-quality protein, making it a valuable addition to your diet. This protein content is complete, meaning it contains all 9 essential amino acids your body needs but can't produce on its own. So whether you're looking to bulk up, maintain a healthy weight, or simply want to ensure you're getting enough protein, liver can be a go-to choice. Now let's talk about the vital nutrients present in liver. Rich in vitamins and minerals, liver is a true nutritional powerhouse. It's particularly high in iron, a mineral that's fundamental for making red blood cells and transporting oxygen around your body. Iron deficiencies can lead to anemia, fatigue, and weakened immunity, so getting enough from your diet is crucial. But it doesn't stop there. Liver is also an excellent source of B vitamins, particularly B12, which is essential for brain function, nerve health, and the production of DNA and red blood cells. It's also rich in vitamin A, a nutrient that supports good vision, immune health, and cell growth. Finally, let's explore how liver can boost your metabolism. Your metabolism is responsible for converting what you eat and drink into energy. The B vitamins in liver, especially B12 and folate, play a crucial role in this process. They help your body metabolize carbohydrates, proteins, and fats, and convert them into energy. More than that, they help keep your nervous system healthy and are involved in red blood cell formation. So, liver is not just nutrient dense, it's also a metabolism booster. By incorporating liver into your diet, you're not only providing your body with high-quality protein and essential nutrients, but you're also supporting your metabolic health. It's truly a superfood that has a lot to offer. Moving on, liver also supports its own organs' health, improves skin health, and boosts brain function. Yes, you heard that right. Consuming liver can actually help ensure the smooth functioning of your own liver. It's packed with essential nutrients that aid in detoxification and metabolic efficiency, thereby contributing to overall liver health. Now, let's talk about skin health. The liver is a rich source of vitamins A and D, both of which are critical for maintaining healthy skin. Vitamin A promotes cell growth and regeneration, helping to keep your skin looking youthful and vibrant. On the other hand, vitamin D helps to protect the skin against damage from the sun's harmful UV rays, reducing the risk of skin cancer and other skin-related conditions. But the benefits of liver don't stop at the skin. This nutrient-dense organ meat is also a powerhouse when it comes to supporting brain health. The liver is a top source of B vitamins, particularly vitamin B12, which is known to play a crucial role in maintaining the health of nerve cells and producing DNA, the genetic material in all cells. Moreover, liver is rich in omega-3 fatty acids, a type of healthy fat that is vital for brain function and mental health. These nutrients work together to enhance cognitive function and protect against mental decline. In addition to these, the liver is loaded with choline, a nutrient that is essential for brain development, nerve function, maintaining a healthy metabolism, and muscle movement. It's also important for liver function, which just goes to show how interconnected the benefits of this superfood are. So liver is not just a great choice for those looking to boost their nutrient intake or improve their physical health. It's also an excellent food for those who want to keep their brain sharp and their skin glowing. So liver is also a great choice for a healthy liver, skin, and brain. Last but not least, liver has anti-inflammatory properties, aids digestion, and boosts the immune system. Let's delve deeper. The liver is rich in bioactive compounds that can help reduce inflammation in the body. These include omega-3 fatty acids and vitamin E, which are well known for their anti-inflammatory effects. Omega-3 fatty acids work by reducing the production of molecules and substances linked to inflammation, like inflammatory eicosanoids and cytokines. Meanwhile, vitamin E acts as a potent antioxidant, neutralizing harmful free radicals that can cause inflammation and damage to cells and tissues. Now let's talk digestion. The liver is packed with B vitamins, particularly vitamin B12, which plays a key role in supporting a healthy digestive system. Vitamin B12 assists in the production of red blood cells and aids in the metabolism of proteins and fats, which are crucial for digestion. Additionally, liver is an excellent source of iron, a mineral that helps maintain healthy gut flora, which is essential for optimal digestion. Finally, the liver is a powerhouse when it comes to boosting the immune system. It is rich in zinc and selenium, two minerals that are essential for the immune system to function properly. Zinc is known to play a central role in the immune response, and a deficiency of this mineral can result in impaired immune function. Selenium, on the other hand, is a powerful antioxidant that helps lower oxidative stress in your body, which reduces inflammation and enhances immunity. Moreover, the liver is a good source of high-quality protein, which is necessary for the building and repair of body tissues, including the cells of the immune system. Its vitamin A content also contributes to maintaining the health of the skin and mucous membranes, the body's first line of defense against pathogens. So, consuming liver can help reduce inflammation, support your digestive system, and give your immune system a boost. Amazing, isn't it? The humble liver is indeed a superfood, offering a host of benefits for our health and well-being. Now that we know the amazing benefits, let's explore the best ways to cook liver for maximum health impact. First up, we have grilled liver skewers. This is a fantastic way to enjoy liver, especially during those warm summer months. Just marinate the liver pieces in your favorite herbs and spices, then thread them onto skewers and grill until they're perfectly cooked. This method seals in the flavors and keeps the nutrients intact. Next, let's talk about liver stir-fry. This is a quick and easy method that packs a flavorful punch. Simply sauté the liver pieces in a hot pan with a bit of olive oil, garlic, and your favorite vegetables. Stir-frying is a great way to retain the nutrients in the liver, making it a healthy and delicious choice. Moving on, we have liver pate. This is a gourmet option that's perfect for special occasions or when you just feel like treating yourself. Just blend cooked liver with herbs, spices, and a bit of butter to create a smooth, flavorful spread. This method is not only delicious, but it also maintains the nutritional value of the liver. Next on the list is liver and vegetable stew. This slow-cooked option is a comfort food classic. By simmering the liver with a variety of vegetables and herbs, you allow the flavors to meld together, creating a dish that's both tasty and nutritious. Lastly, we have baked liver with herbs. This is a simple and nutritious option that's perfect for those watching their calorie intake. Just season the liver with your favorite herbs, place it in a baking dish, and bake until it's cooked to your liking. This method allows the liver to retain its nutrients, making it a healthy choice. Try these cooking methods to maximize the health benefits of liver. There you have it, folks, the 10 incredible benefits of eating liver and some fantastic cooking methods to maximize those health gains. From nutrient density to boosting immune function, liver truly is a superfood. And with our cooking methods, you can enjoy it grilled, stir-fried, or even slow-cooked in a stew. If this video sparked your interest, show us some love with a thumbs up, share it around, and drop a comment about your favorite liver recipe. Until next time, stay healthy and happy.